So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I wanna show you how to replace battery on Ford Focus MK3.5 or 3 facelift. So what we have to do, few things. I'm gonna remove the airbox so I have access to the battery so I can slide it out. You need to unscrew this bad boy, this one over here, this one, so this one holds the battery full tight, airbox, this one, and plug out. So yeah, maybe few wiring, this one might come in a way, but we will see by the time we... So for the job you're gonna need a 10mm socket. Try not to drop it. So this one is a 10, over here 10, I believe it's 10, yeah, 10. So this one I'm gonna use the wrench, and for this bad boy you can either use, or you can use 7 or screwdriver. I don't know, 7 feels for me a little bit better since I have the tool over here. So I'm gonna unscrew this one, and all these that you can see right now, so it does not take forever. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share if this will help you. I'm happy for you. So subscribe, it will help me grow the channel. And if you have anything else that you wanna see on this bad boy, write in comments, since I'm dismantling it right now. So let's unscrew. So I did unscrew all of these. You don't want to lose them because you want to put this back. So you take just this bad boy out over there, this one plug out over here. I did unscrew this one, and I'm gonna move it a little bit there. And now all we have to do is move this bad boy over here. So that's, and should be fairly easy just to pull all of this up. But here we have one piece of thing that is holding it, but now you just pull it out gently if possible. Should not be that easy, but with one hand is always kinda harder, because here is the one holder that comes into the slot, so like that. And now it should be fairly easy. Unplug this sensor wire, and just like that you get a little bit more space. What else is holding it? So this line over here. So this line over here. Now we have enough space for all of that. Now all you need to do, from what I remember, is it pull up? Yeah, it's just pull up this front plating with the wiring, and maybe just pull this bad boy out. That's why you have this tool. So you pull that out. This will give you a little bit more space, and it's kinda easy to click back after that. So one more over here. I don't know if you're gonna see. Yeah, so this one. Now should be enough room and space to take the battery out. So now we're gonna pull the battery up. We need to cross this over here. So get the battery up and push and pull toward yourself, because we still need to disconnect the minus So now we have enough space to get to the minus. If this plastic is in your way, just pull it out. So that's the other cup holder. So you unscrew that bad boy. So like that, and then you have enough space to take your battery out. So putting it back in, if you need new battery, so you put it like this, so like that, connect the minus once again the same way it was, screw back, don't lose your 10 socket, because it does happen, and it happens a lot. So now I don't have that much space. Let me screw it. So once you screw it tight, it should be really tight, push the battery back in, and now we need to swap this installation as it was. So this needs to come over here, so like that, and then you put this bad boy as he was, so like that, everything tight, put your cover back as it was, so like that. You need to put your holder of the battery again, push these bad boys back as they were, like that, and this one over here, and now we put the airbox over here. As you can see, it went quite easily in, but need to put it in the place where it was. So let me just adjust a little bit this. So everything in, connect the sensor over here, click it in, check if it's good. This bad boy goes in here. So what we did over here, so we just return it like there, tight this one 7, so you don't have any leaks. This bad boy as well. So everything as it was. All you need to do is put your positive back, tight everything up as much as you can. Don't forget these two over here. I will not put them because this car is gonna be for parts, so anyways. And then you just push this bad boy as he was in the first place, so like that. So I hope this will help you. As I said, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel. If you have anything else that you want to see on MK3 facelift, MK3.5, yeah, sure, write in comments, as this car is still basically complete. I can probably make those videos. So that's about that for this one. Thank you for watching and see you next one. So till next one, see ya.